Hi folks, this is JJ Quest for the JJ Quest Show, and I was asked to do a commercial. That's right, I was asked to do a commercial, and I'm pretty happy about that. It's an interesting commercial. I think the business is new, so got to make some money somehow. So, anyways, I thought I'd let you take a look at it and see what you think. Okay, here it is. Oh, hi. I tell you what, you try cleaning these things out. There's a lot of mess. Especially got to rebuild them. No respect these birds have. They build their nests everywhere. Got to watch out for them. They might swoop in and take you out, feed you to their kids. Let's see. Charlie, go ahead, bring up the wood. Yeah, we got a staircase we got to build here, okay? Yeah, the one the kids had just destroyed it when they moved up. All right? Yeah, okay. Oh, boy, I tell you what. These birds can do some damage when they build their homes. That's why you gotta call We Fix It. That's right, We Fix It. We'll fix up your bird nest for free with a commission. And we usually rent them out after that. So anyways, when you're done with your bird nest and your babies go flying off, you need to call us. We Fix It. So that other birds can come along and live there and have their babies. But there's a lot of poop you gotta clean up. I'm telling you, there's all kinds of poop in here. I don't know how they poop so much. It's amazing. Makes you wonder, what the heck are they feeding those kids? I mean, it's piled up in here. I gotta clean it out before I start fixing anything. This is for just cutting the poop off the sticks. Well, anyway, you call us at 555-555-5555. That's right. And you will get us and we will fix it for you. Bird nests. Anywhere, anytime. Just make sure the crows aren't around, that is, because I'm telling you, one day Bob was out there and he was fixing on a nest, and big old crow come by, saw his shiny little watch, took him off. Just like that. That was it. He was gone. They took him. Don't know where he's at now. We found his watch. So that's why we don't wear nothing shiny. Cover ourselves up in this stuff. So much poop. Anyways, you remember, call us. We Fix It. Now, I gotta get back to work. There's just so much poop in here. I don't know what the heck are they feeding those kids. Anyways, good talking to you. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of poop in here. See ya. What'd you think? Hey, I think it's a pretty good job. Wouldn't want to clean, out bird nests or anything like that. That'd be a messy job. Can't wait. Well, anyways, I just thought I'd say hello and goodbye. And also, hey, if you got any questions, you can write me at the JJ Quest Show at yahoo.com. Let me know what you think of the commercial that I just did. I mean, it paid, some, but that's okay. I think they're going to do good. Anyways, Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share. And also, here's a video of some of the ducks that are getting big. J&J is getting big. Real big. Real big. Alright, I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you later. Bye.